In this video, we will compare two giants in the world of online stores. We will look at Shopify and BigCommerce. Let's find out which one is the best for you to start your own online business. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify platform is a powerhouse when it comes to e-commerce. It is built specifically for selling products online. If your main goal is to run an online store, Shopify is designed for you. It's a complete solution that handles everything from your website to payments and shipping. Many big brands use Shopify, but it's also great for people just starting out. It's less about fancy designs and more about having a powerful, reliable store that can grow with your business. Shopify takes care of technical stuff, so you can focus on selling your products. Think of it as the ultimate tool for serious sellers. Now, let's see why so many people choose Shopify to build their online empires. Shopify is designed to make selling online simple. It's an all-in-one platform, which means everything you need is included. You get a website, a blog, a payment processor, and even shipping tools. You don't need to worry about finding a separate company to host your website. Shopify does that for you. It also handles security, so your store and customer information are always safe. This makes it very easy to get started and manage your business. You can run your whole operation from one single dashboard, which saves a lot of time and effort. One of Shopify's most powerful features is its App Store. There are thousands of apps you can add to your store to give it new features. Do you want to add customer reviews? There is an app for that. Need help with marketing or accounting? There are apps for those too. It's like having a smartphone. You can download apps to do almost anything. This means you can customize your store to do exactly what you need. While some apps cost money, many are free. This allows your store to grow and adapt as your business changes. Shopify understands that you might want to sell in many places, not just your website. That's why it has amazing multi-channel sales features. You can easily sell your products on social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. You can also sell on big marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Shopify keeps all your inventory in sync. So, if you sell a product on Facebook, the inventory on your website is automatically updated. Shopify even has its own card reader so you can sell in person at markets or a physical store. This makes it easy to reach customers wherever they are. Shopify's pricing is straightforward and focuses on e-commerce. The basic Shopify plan is about $39 per month. It's great for new businesses and gives you all the essential features to start selling. As your business grows, you can move to the Shopify plan for about $105 per month. This plan has lower transaction fees and more advanced reports. For large businesses, the advanced Shopify plan costs around $399 per month. It has the lowest fees and the most powerful features. Each plan includes hosting, security, and support. So, who is Shopify for? Shopify is for anyone who is serious about selling online. It is perfect for small startups, growing brands, and even very large companies. If your main focus is e-commerce and you want a powerful, scalable, and reliable platform, Shopify is the best choice. It's for business owners who want the best sales tools and don't mind a simpler website design process. Now, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform. It is designed specifically for building online stores. It has a lot of built-in features to help you sell more. Unlike Wix, BigCommerce is focused only on e-commerce. This means all its tools are made to help you manage and grow your online business. It is a great choice for serious sellers who want to scale up. BigCommerce can handle stores of all sizes, from small shops to large enterprises. It helps you sell on your website, on social media, and on marketplaces like Amazon. If you want a robust platform to build a successful online store, BigCommerce is worth looking at. Ready to see what makes BigCommerce so powerful? Let's dive in. One of the top features of BigCommerce is its built-in sales tools. BigCommerce comes with many features already included. You don't need to add a lot of apps to get started. It has tools for managing your products, inventory, and others. You can offer discounts, coupons, and gift cards to your customers. It also has a built-in blog to help you with marketing. A great tool is the Abandoned Cart Saver. This feature automatically sends emails to customers who left your store without buying. This can help you get back lost sales. Everything you need to run your store is in one place. Another key feature is multi-channel selling. This means you can sell your products in many places online. You can connect your BigCommerce store to Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can also sell on big marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Google Shopping. You manage everything from your BigCommerce dashboard. When you update a product in BigCommerce, it updates everywhere you sell. This saves you a lot of time and effort. It helps you reach more customers and make more sales. Imagine selling your product all over the internet from one spot. Finally, BigCommerce is highly scalable. This means the platform can grow with your business. It can handle large number of product and orders. As your store gets more popular, BigCommerce can handle the traffic. It is a reliable and secure platform. This is important for building trust with your customers. Many big brands use BigCommerce for their online stores. This shows that it is a platform you can count on for the long term. If you have big plans for your business, BigCommerce can support you all the way. BigCommerce also has different pricing plans. The standard plan is for new stores and costs about $29 per month. It includes all the essential features to start selling. The Plus plan is for growing businesses and is around $79 per month. It has more marketing tools to help you grow. The Pro plan is for larger businesses and costs about $299 per month. This plan can handle high volume of sales. There is also an enterprise plan for very large businesses with custom pricing. Like Wix, you can save money by paying annually. BigCommerce is best for businesses that are serious about e-commerce. It's for people who want a powerful and scalable platform to grow their online store. If you plan to sell a lot of products or sell on multiple channels, BigCommerce is a strong choice. It's great for both small businesses with big ambitions and large established brands. If your main goal is to sell online, BigCommerce has the specialized tools you need. So, Shopify or BigCommerce, which one is the winner? The truth is, both are amazing platforms. Shopify is incredibly easy to use and is perfect for beginners. BigCommerce is packed with built-in features and has no transaction fees. The best choice really depends on what you need for your business. Think about your skills, your budget, and your business goals. I hope this video helped you understand the key differences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.